Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting data. Make a full backup and a recovery USB so you can recover if cloning fails. Next, confirm the SSD type, SATA 2. 5 versus NVMe M2, and that your laptop or desktop has the matching slot or adapter. Once done, update the SSD firmware and install a reliable cloning tool. Choose a sector-by-sector or file-level clone depending on OS and encryption. Make sure the target SSD capacity meets or exceeds used data before you proceed. With both drives connected, you set the source HDD and the target SSD in the cloning tool. Double-check names to avoid overwriting. Start the clone using recommended mode. File level for flexibility or sector-by-sector for exact copies. Ensure partition alignment for SSD performance and adjust partition sizes if you're shrinking or expanding. After cloning completes, verify integrity by mounting the SSD and checking files or checksums. If your system uses SATA, switch to OSI in the OS before swapping to avoid boot errors. Now you power down, remove power, and physically install the SSD in place of the HDD, secure cables, or the M2 screw and close the case. Boot into BIOS or UEFI, set the SSD as the first boot device, and start the OS. If it boots, confirm apps and files load normally. Once running, enable trim and check drive health/perf with a benchmark. If something goes wrong, keep the HDD connected externally and boot from it to restore the clone or retry cloning with verified settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.